What if you could rewind time to your birth and save every single penny? An impossible thought, but it sparks a far more crucial, nagging question. What if you had started seriously saving and investing from the earliest possible age? The answer isn't just about money. It's about freedom, choice, and a life transformed. By the end of this video, you'll see just how profound that transformation truly is. If concepts like this intrigue you, hit that subscribe button. Let's set some realistic ground rules. We're talking about the tangible power of compound interest and consistent effort. Imagine a typical person, starting at 18 with their first job, consistently investing just $100 a month. Or parents began with $25 a month at birth. We'll use realistic long-term market averages, around 7 to 8% annually. In those initial years, growth feels almost imperceptible, like planting a tiny seed. Our 18-year-old, contributing $100 monthly until age 25, has invested just $8,400. Yet, thanks to early compounding, that balance could already be $10,000 to $12,000. Many get discouraged here. But this is precisely where time begins its quiet work. This is where our hypothetical truly separates from the ordinary. As our saver progresses into their mid-20s, 30s, and beyond, something incredible happens. Compound interest begins its relentless acceleration. The returns begin to earn returns on themselves. Let's assume that consistent $100 a month continues. By age 35, they've invested $20,400. Their balance is now likely $40,000 to $50,000. Fast forward to age 45. Contributions total $32,400, but the account has surged to $120,000. Notice the non-linear growth. By traditional retirement age, having contributed a mere $56,400 in total over 47 years, our saver isn't just comfortable. They could realistically be sitting on over $1 million, perhaps even $1.5 million or more. Think about that. Less than $60,000 of their own money, transformed into over $1 million. They've unlocked a level of freedom most only dream of. So while you can't go back and save literally every penny from birth, the lesson is clear. The most powerful financial tool you have is time. The real obstacle isn't that you haven't started, it's inertia. The belief that it's too late or too little. That mindset steals your future. Regret doesn't come from what you didn't do. It comes from what you don't start today. Even if you're starting later in life, the rules haven't changed. Increase your contributions. Use tax-advantaged accounts. Learn. Stay consistent. The scale may differ, but the path to financial freedom remains open. The time for waiting is over. Open that high-yield savings account, explore low-cost index funds or ETFs, automate your savings, talk to a trusted advisor. A small step today can lead to an extraordinary tomorrow. The future isn't fixed, it's built, decision by decision. The question isn't if you can achieve financial independence, but when you decide to truly begin. If this video opened your eyes, give it a like, share it, and of course subscribe for more mind-bending financial insights.